Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to transfer ownership in Base44. First, go to the Base44 website and make sure you are logged into your account. Now click on All Apps from the left side menu. Then select the app you want to transfer ownership of. Once the app opens, click on Dashboard. Here, click on Users to view the people who have access to the app. Then click on Invite User. Now enter the email address of the person you want to give ownership or full management access to. After that, click on the role dropdown and select Admin. This gives the user the highest level of permissions available for managing the app. Then click on Invite to send the invitation. You can also copy the invitation link and share it directly with the user if needed. Once the user accepts the invitation and joins the app as an admin, they will be able to manage settings, users, and other important app features. If your workspace supports ownership transfer options, check the User Management or Account Settings area for additional ownership controls after the new admin has joined. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.